Which spirit can replace tequila in cocktails to add a smoky flavor? Which spirit can replace tequila in cocktails to add a smoky flavor? Now I'm going to give you a list of the options. The very first option is mezcal. The second option is cognac. The third option is dark rum. And the last option is triple sec. So what do you think? Which one is the correct answer for the question? Now I'm going to give you the correct answer for the question, and the correct one is mezcal. So that's the answer for the question, mezcal. Hi, thank you so much for watching this video. If you find these videos very useful, you need to help this channel to grow by subscribing this channel. Click this subscribe button and don't forget to like this video. And if you want to share this video with your friend to any social media that you wish, just go ahead, click this button. You can share it to Facebook, Twitter, and etc. etc. I think that's all of it. Thank you so much. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video, and see you again in another lovely and sweet video. Bye bye. See you again.